Some people are actually wicked, because why I say some people are wicked is that they will cut your video because of you are lenient, or because of you are naive. You don't know you don't know how to do this kind of settings on your YouTube channel. Some person will cut your own video and post. After when posting, they'll go to their YouTube channel and report that you use their own content. You use their own content, which means they are reporting your video. They cut your video, they'll first you to report, and once they report, YouTube will give you restriction on your own video you created. To stop this, you must have to watch this tutorial video from beginning to the end. Happy Sunday to you all. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to be a CEO of your content. CEO means for you to be an owner of your content. That means nobody can copy your content, or nobody can cut your content and post and give you copyright strike or copyright claim. Do you know that if you create your own content and post it, when someone cuts your own content, your channel might attract copyright claim? You understand? So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to stop that nonsense, because of why it's so tiring for you to create your own videos and someone will just cut your content and post it. You understand? You work hard for this video that you are creating. Even this video I'm creating also, I work hard for it. So I wouldn't want anyone to cut my video and post it. And if one video appear in two channels, definitely one video must have copyright claim. You understand? Or copyright strike. If you watermark your content, no one can cut it and post. If anyone do that, which means that person's channel will attract copyright claim. You understand? Or copyright strike, depending on what you lay, or depending on what allegation you lay over your content. You understand? You get? And how are you going to do this? Is by putting your pictures in your YouTube channel. There's a way you put your picture there. Nobody can cut your content and post, or else that person's channel is going with a copyright claim or a copyright strike. You understand? As you all know, we YouTubers, you know what copyright claim and copyright strike is. You understand? If you get copyright strike, your channel is going for suspension of 2 months. They won't recommend your video to audience. You understand? Quite right, you might start posting, but you will not get enough engagement like before. So the reason why I'm saying this is for you to protect your content. YouTube strictly warned, or YouTube guidelines says that only one content in one channel, no duplicate. You understand? Except you are doing vlog, or except you are duetting someone's video, and that one has to do with voiceover. You must have to apply your voice. You understand? But in a situation whereby you see that someone cuts your own full content on YouTube and posts it, is against YouTube rules and regulation. You understand? So I'm going to be teaching you on how to stop that nonsense, because I call it nonsense, because I see no reason why you create your own content and someone will cut it and post it. You understand? So stay tuned as we go to the tutorial section of this video. Thanks. All right, we are in my studio now, so we'll go down to the editing now. Now you go to this side, you go to channel customization. Now we are in channel customization now. You scroll it down. You see this place here. You see this video watermark. I've already put this picture here, because what you're actually doing by putting this picture, any content you are uploading, this picture will be appearing to what your viewers, people are viewing your content. Quite right, you won't be able to see it, but if people are watching it with their own channel, they'll be seeing this picture, which means that you are the owner of this content. And when someone tries to cut it and do the same thing, the thing will not favor them, because of why your picture is already there. That is your content. So let me teach you. Let me remove it first, then teach you how to put it back. Then you click on upload. Then you enter library. So now let's go down. Let's check off any image we are uploading, or let's put that same image back. So let's try. Sorry, you're seeing my gallery. You're seeing my pictures. So let's try this one. Look at this one now. So let's upload this. then you press done. Here is a video, here is a picture, sorry, and then you upload it. Press done. Look at the picture there. Then they say this one, and they say time, they say display time, end video, customize time, then entire video. You put it on entire video, which means the last one. You put it on entire video, which means this picture will be in your entire video. So now, so I've already put it now. The last thing you do here now, you see this publish, you click on publish to save it. You understand? I've already saved it. So here, this how it's going to be. So by doing this now alone, you have already secured all your content on YouTube, which means if anybody cuts your content and post, YouTube will give that person copyright strike or copyright claim, because of why they are using reused content, because it's your content and you've already uploaded it online. YouTube doesn't allow multi videos, like duplicate of videos online. You understand? And it's from one source. So therefore, if they are applying voiceover on your video and be posting it, quite right, they might not get that copyright claim, but they will have monetization issue. You understand? So that's where I will stop for now. So if this video is of help to you, please like and share this video.